Over the years, I realized that every moment is a celebration of life. I've embraced my age and accepted my high blood pressure condition. The new Omron EVOLV helps me enjoy fully every minute of my life. This all-in-one upper arm blood pressure monitor is portable, has no tubes, and it ensures 360-degree accuracy in any position around the upper arm. First, download the OMRON CONNECT app and turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Then, pair the devices by pressing the connection button on your Omron EVOLV for 5 seconds. Just paired at the push of a button. To take a measurement, place the cuff on your upper arm. Secure it and press the Start/Stop button. Then wait until the readings appear on the screen. I transfer my readings to my smartphone to monitor my progress and understand my condition over time. Omron EVOLV is my partner to celebrate life and to be in real balance with my health, body and mind. Omron EVOLV, the revolution in blood pressure monitoring.